I would like to speak shortly about the quite large type of structures. In the name of many researchers, we have a possibility to collaborate in improvement of passive safety of bus bodyworks in a rollover accident. This type of bus accident is the most dangerous accident, and all buses now has to fulfill the prescribed testing according the rollover. You can see picture which demonstrate the test. This is a quasi-static test. This is the rollover, and the main condition is that prescribed safe space for passengers must be maintained during and after the rollover perform. Rollover is possible to perform physically, and this is a usual way. Now it's possible to perform the computer simulations. We participated on two projects I have mentioned. One was performed with a Czech company from Prague, Vision Consulting Automotive, and Czech producer of buses. The project has a name, Research and Development of Articulated Electric Bus, and we were involved in testing of the whole materials from which the new sandwich roof of the bus was constructed. The second project we are solving, still we have a very nice collaboration with another research institute in Pilsen and with the producer of Poland buses, Solaris. And the focus of this project is to develop the new structured concept of the bus construction with the addition carbon fiber layers or filling foams, and to obtain the weight reduction with still very good fatigue life and rollover resistance. I would like to speak about the first project, which we finalized last year by testing the prototype of the articulated battery bus. And I will show you not scientific data, but the methodology we used during the testing the whole materials which were used for new sandwich roof. I'm very proud for this type of collaboration because it's very useful for academic research center to have collaboration with industry. You can see schematically profile of the sandwich roof. It was necessary to perform 5 types of tests. We tested the basic materials and aluminium profiles. We performed testing of foams, testing of adhesive. We tested the whole sandwich panels, and then we tested the large roof segment test. This image, the full lorry of the material for testing, because it was a very, very big experimental program. At first, we performed base testing of basic materials of aluminium profiles and cover sheets. You can see specimens prepared for testing and examples of measured data. All data were sent to our partners which performed the computer simulation in the digital form, or tests were monitored by video to have a possibility to compare the results of computer simulations on level of testing specimens and later on testing the whole segment of the roof. You can see the testing the foams in the tensile pressure and shear mode. The next test where this is an example of results testing at I think and almost you can see example of measure data. Here is example of testing the glues. We tested some various type of glues. You can see examples of testing and mathematical modeling of standage panel test on this picture. And as a final part of our investigation, the segment of the roof was tested by electrohydraulic system. We tried to model the diagonal deformation of the roof during the rollover. Our colleagues which performed the mathematical calculations give us information about the speed of deformation during the rollover, and after that was possible to perform the whole simulation with the whole vehicle and to obtain the certification from certificating authority. Besides these experiments and calculations, we perform similar tests of the front part of the vehicle to understand more roll the windshield on the resistance of the bus bodywork during the rollover. All data are now secret, but if we will be invited to present the data in more detail, I hope I will be able to obtain the agreement of the company to present these results. I would like to stop with my presentation, this overview of experiments we perform, but let me give information at two programs we have at our University of West Bohemia in Pilsen for developing the international collaboration. We are able to invite experts from abroad in the program with the name Academic Career in Pilsen for short stay, or for long stay. We have a program Experts Working with Pilsen.